Oral-B IO toothbrushes use advanced Bluetooth low-energy technology to connect with your smartphone, providing personalized brushing feedback and data tracking through the Oral-B app. However, users commonly experience three main types of connectivity issues. Initial pairing failures occur when the toothbrush cannot be discovered or connection times out. Intermittent disconnections happen when established connections drop unexpectedly. Data sync problems occur when the connection exists but information doesn't transfer properly. The first troubleshooting step is a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the device shuts down completely. Wait 30 seconds, then restart the toothbrush. This simple procedure resolves about 60% of minor connectivity issues. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a factory reset. Press and hold both the power button and mode button simultaneously for 10 seconds. The device will flash multiple colors indicating the reset is complete. This requires complete repairing with the app, but has an 85% success rate for persistent issues. For successful pairing, ensure your toothbrush has at least 20% battery charge and the Oral-B app is updated to the latest version. Enable both Bluetooth and location services on your phone, and close other Bluetooth-intensive apps during the pairing process. When following the correct procedure, Oral-B IO toothbrushes achieve a 94% connection success rate on the first attempt in 2025. This high success rate demonstrates that most connectivity issues can be resolved with proper troubleshooting techniques. When basic resets fail to resolve your Oral-B IO Bluetooth connectivity issues, advanced troubleshooting methods can help restore stable connections. First, optimize your pairing environment. Maintain a close distance of 3 to 6 feet between your toothbrush and smartphone during the pairing process. Minimize interference from other Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi routers. Turn off nearby Bluetooth devices temporarily and avoid pairing near wireless routers or microwaves. For persistent connectivity issues, try system-level solutions. Reset your smartphone's network settings or clear the Bluetooth cache. Keep your smartphone's operating system updated. Oral-B regularly releases compatibility fixes for new iOS and Android versions. Prevention is key to avoiding future Bluetooth connectivity problems. Enable automatic app updates to ensure you always have the latest compatibility fixes. Repair your device monthly for optimal performance. This simple maintenance step prevents many connectivity issues before they occur. Keep your toothbrush charged above 20% for stable connectivity. Low battery levels can cause intermittent connection problems. Remember that user error accounts for 67% of connectivity issues. Carefully following the pairing instructions significantly improves your success rate. Oral-B has proactively addressed recent compatibility issues. They released emergency app updates to fix connectivity disruptions caused by iOS 17 and Android 14 updates, along with modified background sync protocols.